Hello everyone, Shantae here. I hope you guys are having a great day. So I decided to pull out some of my card kits and use them. No need to pay for them and just let them sit. So I pulled out this Greetings Friend card kit from February of this year. Love the colors in this one. And so you had the stamp and die of the month was this one. It was this one, and then this was the extra that she always do. And then the card kit had some other dies, as well as this card die set. And then this little wreath I use as well. And then all the papers that was with the kit. Like I said, this is the color story right here. So I'm gonna just show y'all the cards that I made, because let me see. Okay, yeah, because I actually forgot. These have been made for a couple weeks, and I just forgot to show them in the video. All right, so here is one top folding card. All right, so that's just what was in the paper pad. I just cut out some of the flowers and popped them up, and I was trying to edge them with black, but you know, my hands will slip in a minute. Oh, and this stamp, the Good Shepherd, is a May Made It stamp set. Hold on, let me get it. This one is called His Name, and that's it right there. You get like a highlight of what the scripture's about in the scripture. So I used that one from May Made It, and that's the ribbon from the kit, and that's the inside. Just a reminder, he is the Good Shepherd. Another one I made was I added black. Black was not with it, but I added it to make it pop. Hello, my friend. And I used diamond dots and the clear glossy accent. And that's the inside. And then my last one, I just used the dies and just die cut the flowers and the wreath out, and just made my own sort of wreath. Greetings, friend. All right, so we got two top folded and a regular fold card. But yeah, just trying to do better with using my stuff and trying my best not to just let stuff sit. That die set came with the card kit as well. Yeah, so I'll be back with another video. You guys have a blessed day. Thank you so much for leaving nice comments, and I'll see you in my next quick video. Bye.